Hi Yaseen, tell me what you're running in. This is a Ford's header, no? And originally it came out with which mode? XR6. And what mode are you currently running in the car? RB25. The mods look extensive. Is the motor fully built or stock motor? Okay. Turbos change obviously. What you're running? Pump fuel. Alright. Current time, do you know? Okay, nice man. Well, good luck for today. And all the best, my brother. Sure.
Mean the shit is down. The rave at the end of the code. Shattered syntax serenades. Broken beats for broken bots. Broken binary ballads. Dead cold dubstep. Bass drops in the void. John Taylor Sonata.
Okay, so we got the